Hi crafty friends, it's Tracy Hines, aka Nanner Banana, and in today's video we are making these cute, simple, easy to make little doors for the little house home journal I'm working on. But these are so simple. I'm sure you can already see what I did here. I'm going to take you through making one. But they're so simple and easy and the cutest little doors, right? I think they're adorable. All right, well, let me set these off to the side here and I'll show you what you're gonna need. You will need a brad. It doesn't have to be this decorative. You could just use one of the little brass brads. You'll need a piece of cardstock, a contrasting piece of cardstock, and a little paper lunch bag. So those are the materials you'll need. You'll need a pair of scissors, some ink, and some kind of hole punch, and your glue. All right, I am also going to use my trimmer. But other than that, that's all you need. You could get by with just scissors. So the first step is just cutting your paper bag along this edge. Just like so. All right, and this is the base. And you're going to need to cut a piece for the top and a piece to go inside. These Tim holds 8 and I think they may be 6. Let's look and see. Yeah, they're 6 by 10. These Tim Holtz 6 by 10 paper packs work perfect. They're the right length and you just have to put them on here and line it up, and then I'm just going to use my scissors and trim it. Like I said, this is super easy. And then I will bring my trimmer over here and kind of do a little bit of fine-tune trimming. Perfect. So this is our door. Now we need a piece for the inside, and I'm going to use this piece here. Use this as my guide for cutting it. And again, I will be trimming this down 1/4 of an inch on top and 1/4 of an inch along the length. That way it fits into the base of the little pop-up door. I apologize if you hear music playing in the background. My back door neighbors are having a get together and playing their music pretty loud. Hopefully I don't get any kind of flag from YouTube on that. Just gonna stick that into the base there, and that gives it some stability. Then fold it back up. Just like that. No, Luke, we're not barking. No, bub. No bark, no bark. Okay, so then I'm going to cut a 1-inch strip off the back side of the Tim Holtz paper. These are going to be my windows of my door, and I just make them a 1-inch by 1-inch square. So if you had a punch, that would work as well. Or just mark it with a ruler and use your scissors to cut it out. And you could get by with just a pair of scissors. All right, and then I'm going to ink around everything. Do that. So Piper, Jessica had her graduation today. It went really well. I drove for 6 hours. I was on the road, actual driving time, 6 hours today. It was a lot of driving and sitting for one day, for sure. But it was a great day. We all had a really good time. Okay, so there's the inking. Now you need to do a hole punch, and just about halfway is what I would recommend for that, to put your brad in. I'm using some of the brads that I got in my Nanner's Thursday Thrift Day haul, the little grab bag from Goodwill for $3.99, and these were in there. It came at a perfect time. All right, perfect. So let me glue that down. So I don't know if you guys can hear all the commotion. Luke's barking. There's fireworks going off at my back door neighbors. Music playing. Literally, there was some music playing when I started. Like, I knew there was going to be possible music playing in the video because of it, but now the fireworks, the dogs. Oh my goodness. Real life. It's what you can count on my channel. Hopefully you guys don't mind too much. All right, so then we are just going to lay these out, and I kind of space them out to look like a little 4-pane window is what I'm doing. And I can decide if I want numbers going the right direction, not the right direction. I guess it really doesn't matter. Let me see what I think. If I like it better, maybe like that. Okay. Let me just get one glued down. This is cute. It's easy. I like embellishments that are like that. Just quick, easy embellishments that are really fun. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos and leaving comments. It means so much. It really helps my channel and I appreciate it. So I'm going to ask that if you're watching this and you've not given it a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not sure what to comment, just leave an emoji for your comment. I'm going to be going through all the videos in the Little House series by the end of the month, and anyone who has commented on all the videos, I am going to put in a drawing for a set of embellishments that you've seen. That's why I've been making extras. That way I can do a giveaway. But yeah, that's my plan. All right, guys, this is the finished product. So you've got your little doorknob, a little window. You open it up to a base that stabilizes it, and then I'm throwing in some little house stickers. Just like that. That way there's a little surprise in there. So here's what they look like, all finished. I forgot to ink around these windows, and I tried to do it after the fact, so that didn't turn out real great. But the rest of these I think are super cute. You'll have to let me know what you think. And again, I will mention in the thumbnail that this is a giveaway announcement, but if you haven't already watched all the videos, I have a playlist for the Little House Journal. Go watch all the videos, leave a comment. Keep in mind, a comment can just be a heart emoji, a house emoji, anything like that. It doesn't have to be an actual comment with words. And if you comment on every video in this on my playlist, at the end of the month, I will be writing all those names down, doing a drawing, and I will reach out, get your address, and mail you a set of embellishments. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. It means the world to me. Don't forget to keep it cute, keep it crafty, and keep making something out of nothing. Bye.